Well, welcome to Catch and Release. So let's jump into the game. Basics. What do you do? So you're going to want to grab your missions booklet here, and you have a to-do list. Now, in order to progress through the game, get a better rod, money, stuff, etc., you have to go through the to-do list. Now, I've been playing the game for a little while, so I got a new rod and stuff like that. But let's stock up here. And I have a good old beer. Is that my wedding ring? Hang on. It's a wedding ring. Okay, yeah. Let's get ourselves a tune on the radio. Let's just go fishing. Let's just catch something, right? All right. So I'm gonna look silly here. I gotta grab the whores, and we're gonna start rowing. Yeah, you smell the fresh air and you feel the little cool breeze of the mountains. Yeah. What? Did you hear that? Did someone say something? Uh, anyways, all right. So we'll go right over here. So hang on. Before I touch all my little lure here, I'm gonna get a sandwich here. There we go. Let's crack open the beer here. There we go. Oh yeah. All right. So a couple things to note when you're fishing. You'll hear the rod sound get higher and higher and higher. You're going to want to release the tension. You can either do that by dipping the rod or releasing some more line out. Okay. You also have to feel the rattling in your controller because when it starts to really rattle, you gotta release that tension. You want to grab yourself a grub. There we go. And basically, you just reel in that way. I'm gonna drop it a little here, and you see some little shishes over there. I actually prefer to just go back, and there you go. That's all we need. Sit back, enjoy the music. Let's lock that reel in there. Oh, he's gonna go for it. You gonna go for it, buddy? Come on. I know you want some. Yep. So we hit it. Okay, here's the tricky part. You start feeling the rod. You hear it? It's too much tension. You pull back. Listen to the rod. Feel the rattle. He's really going. So you want to dip. You could either dip your rod if the tension gets too high. Like this is tolerable right now. And remember, you'll feel the tension get real high in your controller. There we go. 1.15. You dump him in there. I tell you, I have over 3 hours in this game, and I'm not gonna say I'm a pro or anything, but I'm pretty good. Up, see? Release. Ah. Again, tension in the rod. If you can't get, you got to gauge it right. If you can't, you're not gonna be catching anything. My hat. Oh. Release the line. There we go. You see how I released the line? He thinks he's home free. Tension's too high again. Dip. Up and down. Up, 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 down. Up. There we go. See that? You know, it's like a there's like a sweet spot that you just got to figure out, and then you'll start catching them more. What do we got? 1.5 pounds. No, sorry, you're going in the deep fryer. Yeah, well, that's catch and release, folks. And, stick with me. You might learn if you stick with me, you might learn a thing or two. Fucking which way? Shh.